This is a reenactment of what happened yesterday. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but that's a woodpecker. So I heard a woodpecker, and I came outside my house and I looked around. And you can see there's still snow on the ground. And then I heard ting, ting, ting. And it was the woodpecker, and it was up on the satellite dish, banging away at it. In fact, it's there now. Do you hear it? Do you see it? Damn, it's there now. Well, yesterday it flew right at my head when I was doing this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right at the bottom of the satellite dish. It was over here at my solar panels and satellite dish. And then I saw the woodpecker, and it looked at me, and I looked at it, and it looked at me again, and then it flew straight at me, dive bombed me. I hit the deck. The damn thing scared the crap out of me.